This is what happens when you decide to do your water pump and timing belt by yourself. I end up stripping this bolt right here. So now I need to replace the oil pump. In order to get the oil pump out, you gotta drop the pan, you remove this sprocket, and then on both the oil pans should fall out. You replace all the gaskets and sealants, be good to go. And this is my setup for removing the crankshaft sprocket. Get this tool from Advanced Auto Parts. You use this one to remove the big thing that goes here, and you use the other one like this with these bolts, the gold looking ones. If you use the other ones, you're gonna strip the threads. I used it and it was starting to strip, so I put these, and you put that thing right there, and you put a 19mm, and it's gonna seems like it's too hard to turn, so get a 19mm, you get something to pry it, put it right there, and turn slowly. You hear that pop? That means it's coming out.